Italy visa application online. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to fill Italy visa application form online. So let's get started. To complete an Italy visa application online, start by visiting the official page of the Italian embassy or consulate that handles application in your region. Go to the visa section and download the form that matches your travel purpose, such as tourism, study, or family visit. Carefully enter your personal information, traveling dates, accommodation details, and why you are visiting Italy. Make sure all fields are filled out correctly to avoid any delays. After that, collect the required document. These may include a valid passport, recent passport size photos, flight and stay confirmations, financial proof, and any additional papers requested by the embassy for your visa category. Once everything is ready, use the online appointment system to book a submission date. Bring your documents with you on the appointment day. You may also be asked to provide biometric information. After applying, you can follow the progress of your visa using the embassy's tracking service or by contacting their support team. Requirements may differ slightly depending on your country, so review the guidelines carefully. And that's how you will be able to fill Italy visa application form online.